Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to science class. Open your books to page number 16. Today's topic is 2.3 Animals in the Air. Let's start reading. Some animals spend a lot of time in the air. Some animals live in the air, right students? Birds fly through the air, bats fly through the air, and butterflies fly through the air. These are three of the animals that live in air: birds, bats, and butterflies. The next page says, animals that spend time in the air have bodies that help them get up and stay in air. We discussed this before that it depends where you live, and that way you will have the body to help you stay there easily, right? So जो animals air में रहते हैं उनके लिए obviously they have bodies that help them stay in air, to get up and stay in air. They have wings to help them take off, fly and land. So wings का function क्या है? To help them take off, fly and land, just like an aeroplane, right? जैसे वो ज़मीन से आसमान में जाएं and then they keep flying and then come back to land, because they have to come back to land to eat and stuff, right? Some air animals like birds have feathers to help them glide through the air. Birds, उनके पास, they don't only have wings, they also have feathers, right? They don't have hair, they have feathers. So feathers help them glide through the air, जैसे वो fly smoothly करें, right? They have beaks to help them pick up grains and seeds to eat. You know that birds eat grains and seeds. They do not eat flesh, they eat seeds. So they have beaks for it. You can see they're eating with beaks, they have wings, and they have feathers all around their body. These are their three body parts. Now you can see this box tells us more about feathers. Feathers do not only help the birds to fly, okay, they have other functions. They also keep birds warm and keep rain off of them. So if you remember, we discussed that other animals, they have hair or they have fur, and what is their function? To keep the animal warm, and the same thing to keep rain off of them. So similarly, birds के पास कौन सा body part है? Yes, feathers. और feathers उनको easily fly करने की help करती हैं, and they also help the birds stay warm and keep rain off of them. So these are the three function of feathers. Alright, so this is your whole topic. अब हम hard words को underline करेंगे. So come back to this page. You will underline spend, air, through, butterflies, and then on the next page you will also underline wings, feathers, glide, beaks, grains. Okay, these are all in the same paragraph, and then that is all of your hard words. Now open your notebooks. Now of course you know first thing हम क्या करते हैं? Yes, title page. So start with today's date and day, then उसके नीचे science page 16, and in the center right unit 2.3 animals in the air, और फिर उसके नीचे reading and explanation done. Now turn to a new page. So you know your first exercise is hard words, जो अभी हमने underline किए हैं. You will write each word 5 times. Spend, air, through, butterflies, wings, feathers, glide, beaks, grains. ये 9 words आप 5 दफ़ा लिखेंगे. Yes. Now the next exercise is book exercises. These are the questions जो आपकी book में दी गए हैं, and we are answering them. So that is part A. Number 1, name 4 air animals. So in our book there were 3 given. So the answer is birds, bats, butterflies, and eagles. I have written eagles. You can write any other bird species like owls. Now come to number 2. Name the parts of an air animal's body that help it fly. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, good job. Wings and feathers help an air animal fly. Now part 3. How do beaks help birds? How do they help? The function was given in your book. Yes, the answer is they help them pick up grains and seeds to eat. Good. Now the next exercise is choose the right words to fill in the blanks. So number 1 is dash are most active at night. Your choices are owls and eagles. What do you think is the correct answer? Yes, you know owls. Owls are night animals. They are the most active at night. Good job. Now number 2. Dash help birds take off, fly and land. What is the answer from wings and feathers? Yes, of course, wings. This is written in your book. We discussed it. Wings help birds take off, fly and land. Good job. The last one is number 3. dash help birds stay warm and glide through the air. Remember what is the answer? Yes, feathers. Good job. Because feathers help birds stay warm and glide through the air. Now the next exercise is true and false. So number 1 says birds have 3 main features. Is this true or false? Yes, this is of course true. Birds have 3 main features. They have wings, feathers and beaks. Good job. So T is the answer for number 1. Number 2 says air animals fly to go places. Is this true, students? Yes, of course, air animals fly. That is why they are called air animals. Right? You cannot walk in the air, you fly in the air. So in number 2 you will write T. Now number 3 is wings keep birds warm. Is this true or false? Yes, of course, this is false. This is not correct. Feathers keep birds warm. Yes, good job. So this is false. Number 4 is feathers help keep rain away from birds. Is this true or false? Yes, this is true. This is the third function of feathers. Alright students, good job. This is all of your exercises that you will do in your notebook. Do all of them properly. Until then, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.